Good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about proximate constituent and their analysis. Composition of food was based on system of analysis described on the proximate analysis of food. Proximate analysis of food. Proximate पैरामीटर के अकॉर्डिंग हम क्या करेंगे, फूड को एनालाइज करेंगे. Which parameter is proximate? The system of analysis divided 6 form. Moisture is curd protein. 6 form divided होगा. Moisture, ash, curd, protein, ether extract curd, fiber and nitrogen free extractive fibers and nitrogen free extractive. First step is a extractive for the moisture content is determined as the loss in weight that result from drying a known weight of food. सपोज आपको कोई फूड का नॉन वेट पता हो और वो उसका वेट लूज हो जाता है. प्रोसेस हम करेंगे ड्राइंग प्रोसेस के दौरान जब रिजल्ट आता है तो जो एक्चुअल फूड रहता है, फूड का वेट रहता है, उससे वेट अगर लूज हो जाता है तो कांस्टेंट इज डिटरमाइन, उस कांस्टेंट वैल्यू से हम डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं. सपोज 800 mg या फिर 100 gm. The S content is determined by of a known weight of the food at 550 degree Celsius. फर्स्ट को पहले लिख लेते हैं. फूड इन वेट लूज, food in weight that result from drying a known weight of food. To constant is determined at 100. Constant value is 100. Second, the S contain is determined by the known weight of S contain determined by the known weight of the food at 550 degrees Celsius. All carbon has been removed. All carbon has been removed. Again, third, curds protein content is calculated from the nitrogen. Curds protein is calculated from the nitrogen content of the food. determined by the modification method in which nitrogen is termed. फूड कट से या प्रोटीन से हम प्रोटीन क्या करते हैं, नाइट्रोजन एमिनो एसिड की वजह से नाइट्रोजन कंटेन करके रखता है और उसको हमको एनालाइज करना है या सिस्टम में उसको एस्टिमेट करना है, तो मेथड इन विच नाइट्रोजन अज टर्म्ड मॉडिफिकेशन। फोर्थ हो जाएगा द ईथर एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रैक्शन इज डिटरमाइंड बाय सब्जेक्टिंग द फूड to the continuous extraction with petroleum ether. Ether extraction is ether extract fraction is determined by subjecting the food to a continuous extraction with petroleum ether. For a defined period after evaporated. For a defined period after evaporated. After evaporated evaporeum, the hydrolysis of the sample with hydrolysis sample with H2SO4 and reactant residue is ether extract and reactant residue is ether extract. The curd fibers are next is the curd fiber. Curd fibers and nitrogen free extractive are determined by subjecting the residue food with boiling acid and alkaline. Residue food with boiling acid and alkali of defined concentration. The organic residue is curd fiber. Sixth number is it includes sugar, fructose, starch, pectin, organic acid, pigment in addition to those compound active. In include sugar, fructose, starch, pectin, organic acid, pigment in addition to those compound active. It includes sugar, fructose, starch, pectin, organic acid, pigment in additional to those compound active.